repeater site, and I'm sitting at 88, and the group's just skiing up right now. Not sure where we're going from here, though.
Deb Spicer.
Seems a little bit happy.
Okay, copy that. Just get him to radio me when he gets back in the cab line. Yeah, no problem.
And here comes someone else.
Not bad, eh?
Pretty nice.
Oh, that was. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing what a difference 48 hours makes.
Yeah. And it will again probably in the next 48 hours too.
Yeah. But in the other direction.
Yeah.
And here's Chris.
This is the peak right now.
Come on, guys, keep skiing.
Nice, Chris.
Nice one, Paul.
No, it's just